20 seconds. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, I know that was one of the things he done. I thought, oh, that's balance.
Get a bad start with these boats, you never catch up. One design boats.
Give it a go.
Cheers, one time.
Come on. Oh.
Gary, you got to do the
What do I do?
recording of scores.
Yep.
The others haven't finished yet. But
Oh, that's race 5, isn't it? I screwed that up. That's 6-9.
Yep.
3-8-9.
Then was it
4.
yeah, 4 to
429.
4-2-9.
686.
6.